Hi there, welcome back to the Food and Finance Kitchen. Please join me, Shelley, for the next few minutes as we show you 3 of our must-have kitchen appliances and 3 retirement mistakes you're gonna want to avoid. Your first retirement mistake is ignoring inflation. Having high inflation has been a rude awakening for even those of us mature folks who remember the 1970s. While the temporary nature of the current cost shock can be debated, the bottom line is your financial plan must account for price increases in the future. If they don't materialize, that's just more money for your retirement. But if inflation becomes like your annoying friend who pops in unexpectedly to raid your fridge and play video games, your plan will accommodate those bumps in the road to a successful retirement. Are you busy and don't always have time to spend on cooking healthy meals? Do you crave fried food but know that your doctor will object? Then an air fryer is your new best friend. The popularity of air fryers exploded during the COVID pandemic when so many people spent more time cooking at home. I use my air fryer to roast vegetables, make crispy French fries, and even cook one of the best steaks I've ever had. If you like fish but hate the smell, that's totally me. The air fryer is your answer. For fast, healthy meals that don't heat up the kitchen, put this on your priority list. Your second retirement mistake is not planning for medical and long-term care expenses that government programs won't cover. So 65-year-old married couples with Medicare can expect to spend on average more than $300,000 on medical care in retirement outside of what Medicare pays. That doesn't include long-term care. 70% of us can expect to need long-term care, which can cost between $50,000 to more than $100,000 a year per person. Depends on where you live and what kind of care you receive. Our clients have heard me say ad nauseum that the most brilliant retirement investment strategy isn't worth much if you don't have a financial plan that addresses health and long-term care. Our next must-have appliance is the Instant Pot. This can replace your crock pot, remember those? And pressure cooker. They come in sizes ranging from 3 to 10 quarts. Okay, I got the big one, but I'm cooking for all of you, right? And they can do anything from making perfectly cooked rice with no mess to full meals with main and side dishes. You can even get an Instant Pot air fryer combo now. That would be a great solution for someone with limited kitchen counter space, maybe if you live in an apartment. Our final retirement mistake is not consolidating assets close to retirement. If you have had more than one employer during your working years, then there's a good chance you have multiple retirement accounts sitting unattended, what our industry calls orphan accounts. You also might have multiple cash accounts at different financial institutions. This unintended diversity takes away some of your financial leverage and makes comprehensive planning with your trusted advisor much more difficult to implement. Finally, having so many different accounts and statements takes time away from why you're retired in the first place, really? I know you agree. Our final appliance is the stand mixer. The most well-known is the KitchenAid. I recently purchased this one, but there are other brands as well. Again, you can get different sizes. Mine's a professional model since I'm now cooking for all of you. You kind of sense a theme there? But you can go smaller and still benefit from it. The oldie but goodie hand mixer, it can work for some recipes, but the stand mixers are more efficient and operate hands-free. If you have arthritis in your hands, it's really a bonus to have one of these. So avoid our 3 retirement mistakes: ignoring inflation, not planning for healthcare, and not leveraging your scattered accounts. And you're gonna be a step ahead toward achieving your retirement financial goals. And including our 3 gotta-have appliances in the kitchen will take you to the next level with your cooking. If you enjoyed this video, I know you know what I'm gonna ask. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and connect with us on social media and go to our website, foodandfinancewithshelley.com. Contact us if you have any questions or would like to hear more of these videos. Have a great day, and we're gonna see you again soon. You know what? There's still some whipped cream left over. Oh my God. Sorry guys, I gotta go. The cake is waiting.